Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok. If you are a TikTok user, then you must be pretty much aware of the live feature on TikTok. It comes with full benefits and is a perfect way for you to grow your audience, interact with them, and engage with your followers in a real-time basis. If you don't know how to go live on TikTok, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your TikTok application from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Once you're logged in, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the create icon or the plus icon. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to your camera screen. In the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see three options. Choose the live option from the menu. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a preview of your video feed. You can add a title to your live stream right next to your picture. You can turn your comments on or off by going to settings at the right corner and simply toggle the button on or off right next to comments. You can allow viewers to send you gifts during your live by enabling this button right next to live gifts. Add a filter or effects by tapping on the effects button in the top right. You can also choose the filter of your choice by simply swiping through the screen towards the right side or the left one and choose the appropriate filter for yourself. Other than that, you can enhance your video. Share your live stream through connected social media platform by tapping on the share button. You can also send it to a particular person or simply share it to one of your social media accounts. After you're done and you are ready to go live, tap on go live and begin streaming your video. Once you're done with your live, simply press the power button at the bottom right corner and end your live by tapping on end live in the pop-up. Your live summary page will appear soon after you are done. That is how you'll be able to go live on TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.